Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol HMLA. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame, and does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I'm going to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very nice movement on this one, not only from the price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume and well above average volume on the day. So a lot of eyeballs on this one. So let's map out some areas of support, and then we can talk levels of resistance. So the first level of support is what I would call the ideal of when we say, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be if the price could stay up there above 0.055. Now, don't get me wrong, if the price falls below 0.055, I'm not saying the entire chart's destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay up above that level, that would definitely be a massive sign of power going forward. Taking a step back and looking at all this from the bigger picture point of view, that is where the purple line there comes into play, the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As next week plays out, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very straightforward way to gauge the health of the move. This right here, I'm defining as the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you must visualize that, that is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying above 0.055 would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. What about levels of resistance going forward? Nothing fancy or complicated here other than the fact of the party stopped today right up there around 0.065. Temporarily spiked slightly up above there, but that didn't last long. And then after the price fell back below it, then you can see right there is immediately where it was rejected from again. So 0.065 key level, but really resistance levels don't matter. What do I mean by that? Well, what matters the most is what the price has already been doing, and that is this hit right here. As long as the price continues to chip away and build higher lows, or if you want to look at those as stair steps. So as long as these stair steps continue to be constructed in the upwards direction, then given enough time, everything else will take care of itself, including breaking levels of resistance. So focus on healthy consolidations, focus on just chipping away and building higher lows, and sit back and let the trend do its thing. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.